Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is BrainBridge YouTube channel, and this is answer writing program of economy GS paper 3, and this is the second question of this series. The question is related to digitalization. What is the status of digitalization in the Indian economy, and examine the problems faced in this regard and suggest improvement. This question was asked in 2023, means last year. So in this question there are three parts. First is about the status of digitalization. Second, what is the problems which are facing in this digitalization process, during this digitalization process, and जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए what are the suggestions. So there would be three part in main body. So first step, as always, that is answer format, and first part introduction, then in main body, and the third one is conclusion. In main body there would be three part. First is status of digitalization, status of digitalization. Second is problems faced in this regard, problems during digitalization, and suggestions for improvement. So there are three part in main body, और ये मेन पार्ट है क्वेश्चन का जिसको हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है. एंड इंट्रोडक्शन, digitalization is the theme. So in introduction we will explain digitalization, what is the meaning of digitalization और definition portion. So इसका definition provide करेंगे, and in the conclusion part we will sum up the question. So first is introduction, that digitalization landscape in India has shown rapid growth but faces several challenges. Issues include inadequate digital infrastructure in rural areas, limited internet penetration, and concern over data security and privacy. तो देखो, डिजिटलाइजेशन को आप चाहें तो यहाँ पर इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में एक्सप्लेन कर दो, या फिर क्वेश्चन के थीम पर भी आप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही चीज को हम फॉलो करेंगे. यहाँ पर ये भी आप बता सकते हो कि बेसिकली क्या जो पूरा मेन क्वेश्चन है उसी को आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म में यहाँ पर इंट्रोडक्शन में लिख देते हो. सो इश्यूज इंक्लूड इनएडिक्वेट डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, limited internet penetration, data security, privacy. These are main concern for digitalization. और इसके बाद फिर कहानी स्टार्ट होती है status of digitalization. Digitalization in the Indian economy has been significant progress with the rise of internet connectivity and digital services. Initiatives like Digital India have aimed to transform the country into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. दिस इज द स्टेटस. आज के टाइम में क्या क्या एजुकेशन बहुत तेजी से इस पे बढ़े हैं. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, बैंकिंग, ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग बहुत तेजी से बढ़ा है. ऑनलाइन डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बहुत तेजी से इंप्रूव हुआ है. यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड सम एग्जाम्पल्स इन दिस पार्ट. देन कम टू द चैलेंजेस पार्ट. फर्स्ट इज डिजिटल डिवाइड. Disparities in internet access between urban and rural areas hinder widespread digital adoption. Second is infrastructure limitation. Inadequate broadband connectivity and digital infrastructure in remote and underserved regions restrict access and uses. Third is digital literacy. Variation in digital literacy levels across demographics impede effective utilization of digital services. Fourth one is about data security concern. Issues related to data privacy, security breaches, and cyber threats pose risk to digital transaction and user confidence. These are the major challenges which is facing during this digitalization process. Now come to suggestion for improvement. First, प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, चैलेंज क्या था? डिजिटल डिवाइड, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लिमिटेशन. इट मींस उसको प्रोवाइड कर दो. एक्सपेंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, जहां इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है वहां प्रोवाइड करो. इन्वेस्ट इन एक्सपेंडिंग ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्टिविटी टू रूरल एंड रिमोट एरियाज थ्रू इनिशिएटिव्स लाइक भारत नेट. इनहांस डिजिटल लिटरेसी, लोगों में डिजिटल लिटरेसी नहीं था, प्रोवाइड करो. इंप्लीमेंट प्रोग्राम्स टू एजुकेट and empower citizens, especially in rural areas, about digital technology and their benefits. Third, data protection की challenge था, data protection framework use करो. Strengthen data protection laws and regulations to safeguard user privacy and build trust in digital platform. Fourth one is promote digital payment. Encourage the adoption of digital payment system to enhance financial inclusion, which will reduce cash dependency. Fifth, public-private partnership. Foster collaboration between government and private sector and NGOs to drive digital initiatives and bridge the digital divide effectively. So, conclusion part. By addressing these challenges and implementing these recommendations, India can accelerate its journey towards a more inclusive and robust digital economy benefiting all sections of society. So this is the question. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comment, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel BrainBridge for more great educational content. I am providing answer writing program series related to geography GS and economy GS. Also, I have provided previous year question or this year prelims, UPSC prelims question segment wise. Very just after very few days I will start geography optional, that is free for all. तो आपके ऊपर है, आप अपना ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल भी तैयार कर सकते हो. डेली हम 2 लेक्चर में ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल को कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू.